Hello viewers, I am now talking with Ujjwal Sherchan. He is the Senior Program Officer of Integrated Knowledge Platform of ICIMOD. Ujjwal, can you please tell us about the adaptation measures those you have taken, Nepalese people have taken in the agricultural sector?
I would say now we are talking about climate change impact on the agricultural sector, and I think it will take some time to mitigate climate change because I think there is no political will at the global level. So the adaptation has to begin right now. And if you look at Nepal Himalaya, especially in the foothills of the mountains, there is water scarcity. And so people are now harvesting water. They are building ponds right on their fields. And they are using this water to irrigate their crops. That is one. Water harvesting is one adaptation measure that's gaining currency. Another I would say is like people are also using flood resistant varieties. So when there is flood, the crops bend but they don't break. And that's, I would say, a second adaptation measure, which is also gaining prominence in the foothills of Nepal. And I think also people are changing their crop plantation time period because I think now the monsoon is arriving much sooner.
Changing their pattern of cultivation.
Yeah. And so they have preponed their crop plantation period so that the plantation season is in sync with the monsoon pattern.
Yeah.
So that's, I would say, is another adaptation measure that's gaining in currency.
Is there any new crop varieties?
I would say there are
flood resilient or something other?
They are now also increasingly using hybrid varieties which are more climate friendly. And also I think now right near my office they have established a seed bank where they will collect seed varieties which might come in use in the times of uncertainty. So this will be this is like our insurance. This is like our for the long-term protection of the seed varieties so that they don't get lost. From the face of the earth. So, but the thing is, all these adaptation measures are happening in very small scales, household level, community level. I think the challenge is to replicate all these adaptation measures across the Nepal Himalaya and where possible to upscale them. So I would say the government has to come up with a very climate friendly, conducive policy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Ujjwal. Hope to talk to you later.